Today, I'll walk you through how to change your friend's chat background in Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your chat backgrounds so you can make your conversations more personal and fun. First, let's get started by opening the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the camera screen. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. Now the next step is to click on the chat icon, which is typically located at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to your list of conversations, a bit like flipping through a photo album of your friends' messages. Once you're in the chat section, open the conversation with the friend whose chat background you want to change. This is similar to selecting a specific page in that photo album to edit. Next, look for the option labeled Wallpapers. This is where the fun begins. When you click on it, you'll see a variety of Snapchat wallpapers to choose from. You can select one of these pre-made options, or if you're feeling creative, you can upload your own image to personalize the chat even further. However, keep in mind that the customized chat wallpaper feature is only available for Snapchat Plus users. If you're not a subscriber, don't worry, you can still enjoy the default wallpapers. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your friend's chat background in Snapchat. Remember, personalizing your chat can make your conversations feel more special, just like adding a personal touch to a gift. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.